Understanding bloatware and its risks.
Bloatware is software that comes pre-installed on many new PCs. Often, these programs are unnecessary, can slow down performance, and may even present security vulnerabilities. Learning how to safely identify and remove bloatware helps keep your computer running smoothly and more securely.
Identifying bloatware on your PC.
Start by reviewing the programs installed on your computer. Open Settings and go to Apps or Programs. Look for software you didn't install, trial versions, or anything you don't actively use. Research unfamiliar names before removing them to avoid deleting important system components.
Safe removal methods.
To safely remove bloatware, use the built-in uninstall feature in Windows Settings or Control Panel. For stubborn apps, consider reputable third-party uninstallers like Revo uninstallers. Always avoid force-deleting folders or registry entries unless you are certain of their purpose, as this can cause system instability.
Precautions before uninstalling.
Before removing any software, create a system restore point. This allows you to reverse changes if something goes wrong. Be cautious with manufacturer utilities, as some provide critical updates or drivers. If unsure, look for community advice or check the manufacturer's website before uninstalling.
Staying secure after cleanup.
After removing bloatware, restart your PC and check for any issues. Keep your system and drivers up to date, and consider installing trusted security software for added protection. Regularly review installed programs to prevent unwanted software from building up again